Hello, store owners. Today, I'll show you how quantity-based tiered pricing works for product categories in WooCommerce Wholesale Prices Premium. Right now, I'm browsing my shop as a wholesale customer, and every product here already shows its usual wholesale price. But what I really want is for my customers to unlock an even bigger discount when they buy in bulk from a whole category. So let's go and set that up. Let's head into my dresses category settings because this is where all of my category level wholesale rules live. First, I'll give this category a base wholesale discount of 20% for my wholesale customer role. Then I'll save that with the update button. Now for the good part. I'll switch on quantity-based discounts for this category. I'll point this rule at my wholesale customer role, set it to start at 10 items, end at 100, and give a 50% discount. Then I'll add the rule, and it's live straight away. Let's jump over to the customer side and put this to the test. I'll add 6 wrap dresses to my basket, and then 3 maxi dresses as well. That's 9 dresses altogether, which is still under my 10-item threshold. So over in the cart, everything is sitting at the standard 20% wholesale discount. Now watch what happens when I bump my maxi dresses up to 5. That takes me to 11 dresses in the category, and my tier kicks in. So the prices drop to 50% off across every dress in my cart. Notice that neither product on its own reaches 10 items. It's the combined quantity across the whole category that unlocks the discount. And that's exactly how category tiered pricing is meant to work. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.